still looking on this wall. There's a piece of tape there, and I can feel it. I can tap on it, and it feels like there's nothing behind it. And because I can see that, I know it's going to get worse. So I'm going to cut that out of there. See what I got here. Done that over there too. I can just kind of score this at an angle like that to get most of the mud out of there. That'll be another place I've got to put. I'm going to have to decide, do I put self-adhesive webbing tape over that? And I might have to, because there was a joint there, and it looks like there's two pieces of sheetrock. Maybe it was a little patch down there, or just a seam area that's failed. Just kind of knocking the edge down a little bit, like that. Yeah, I'll have to put a piece of webbing tape right there. Okay. And as for that little bit there, kind of dug this out too, because that was loose, and I'll end up putting some tape in there too. The thing with stuff like this, if you just put quickset over that, will that reappear around the joints? Maybe it might, because there's a joint of sheetrock there that goes all the way through. So that's why I'm going to put webbing tape in those areas.